Zayna James here with your weather, but before we get into the sky conditions, we still have a long period northeasterly swells working on those northern and eastern coastlines of both Trinidad and Tobago. Now, yesterday and today were the peak days to see that activity, so those elevated sea conditions should begin to ease heading into Tuesday. Now, even though the hazardous seas alert is set to end at 12 p.m. tomorrow, mariners and beachgoers should continue to be cautious, especially in the surf zone where breakers could remain higher than usual, like I said, around those northern and eastern facing coastlines of both Trinidad and Tobago. Now, looking overhead, there's a well-defined ITCZ just north of French Guiana, producing moderate convective activity, meaning that there is some showers and isolated thunderstorms associated with this area. Now remember, the movement of the ITCZ is that it goes north or south, but by tomorrow we could see it begin to migrate a bit northward toward our area. But for today, it may have been the driest day of the week. We had a mostly sunny sky, though a few isolated showers over western Trinidad popped up, especially over Tobago as well. Now heading into tonight, here in Trinidad, we can expect a mainly clear sky with a nighttime low of 25 to 24 degrees in Trinidad, while Tobago will be sitting a bit closer to a trough, which we will get into a bit more detail further down, which will produce partly cloudy skies, a few isolated showers, and the odd thunderstorm with a nighttime low of 25 degrees. Now, the reason today might be one of the driest days is because we are not only watching the northward movement of the ITCZ, but we are also tracking not one but two troughs, which is producing a really moist atmosphere over our area. So on Thursday, between our sunrise and sunset times, both islands could see widespread variable cloudiness accompanied by scattered showers and a medium chance for thunderstorm activity over Trinidad, but a lower chance over Tobago. Now, with that widespread rainfall, we will need to look out for gusty winds and street or flash flooding as well. When it comes to our temperatures, we're looking at highs around 30 degrees, 31 degrees for Tobago, and 31 degrees for Trinidad as well. Now, just a reminder of our seas, remember that we have spring tides in effect, and we also have that hazardous seas alert, which ends tomorrow at noon. However, seas will otherwise remain moderate, with waves in open waters around 1.5, occasionally up to 2 meters in open waters, and in sheltered areas near 1 meter, occasionally choppy because of those swells and also those passing showers. Now, spring tides will also be in effect, so look out for elevated tidal conditions when you're out near shore. Now, that's all for your weather. I am Zayna James. Have a safe and enjoyable evening ahead.